Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the full step-by-step guide on how to transfer Tron from OKX to Tonkeeper updated for 2025. Let's jump right into it. First, open up your Tonkeeper app. Now select Toncoin, tap on receive and copy your wallet address. Next, head over to your OKX app. At the bottom right, tap on assets. Then select withdraw. Choose withdraw crypto. In the search bar, type Toncoin or simply find it in the list. Tap on Toncoin. Now paste the Tonkeeper address you just copied. Important step here for the network. Make sure to select on network. No need to add any memo or comment. Tonkeeper gives you a direct wallet address, so you're good to go. Now enter the amount you want to withdraw. Just remember the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.02 ton. After that, select the right account. If your ton is in trading, select trading. If it's in funding, choose funding. Double check that everything is carefully. Once you're ready, hit the submit button at the bottom. The transaction will process and usually within 5 minutes your turn will arrive in your Tonkeeper wallet. You can refresh your Tonkeeper app and boom, your new balance will show up right there. And that's it. Super simple, right? If this guide helped you out, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more quick crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.